Charges are coming for the suspects accused in the death of Adon Manzano. He's the Telemundo reporter who was found dead days before the Super Bowl in New Orleans. A district attorney in Louisiana says they will file racketeering charges against Danette Colbert, Ricky White, and Christian Anderson. Colbert and White are also charged with second-degree murder. Anderson is charged with theft and fraud. Now, Anderson was in court today. Chris Wedley, with our sister station in New Orleans, was there and talked to his attorney.
The state says the racketeering bill of information against Christian Anderson, Danette Colbert, and Ricky White should come down in the next week or so. In the meantime, the commissioner denied reducing Christian Anderson's bond.
There's a lot of people watching and paying attention, and so I am disappointed but not surprised.
Police say Anderson worked with Colbert and White in a coordinated effort to drug and rob victims. On the stand, Kenner Police Detective Jeffrey Fitzmaurice testified that Anderson communicated in a group text, often talking about knockouts or KOs to drug victims before robbing them. Police say phone records show Anderson often communicated with Colbert, including the night before and day after Manzano's death.
Instead of looking at evidence where we're filling in the dots and the gaps with inferences and speculation, much like the officer testified to.
The state says racketeering charges are imminent. Racketeering typically involves a pattern of illegal activities such as extortion, fraud, or drug trafficking conducted as part of a larger criminal operation.
Once I was able to start taking a look at this, honestly, that became my bigger concern, that this was going to turn into something like this.
The commissioner says while there may be no intentional homicide, someone died because of this scheme and practice of illegal behavior. In Gretna, Louisiana, Chris Welty, KCTV 5 News.